Hey, this is Mike from Canopy Coaster here at actually a park near where I grew up, Starland. This is a family entertainment center. I used to go here when I was a kid. You know, they had go-karts, mini golf, stuff like that. But all of a sudden, they built a roller coaster. So here, check out the new spin coaster. Yeah, this is an SPF Pizza spinning coaster, the standard figure 8 model. But this one was spinning quite a bit when I rode it earlier. So I'm the only one, so we'll see if it spins a lot again. Yeah, these are nice options for a family entertainment center because they don't take up a lot of space, and they're good for kids and the families because the spinning adds quite a bit to the experience. And what's cool is I'm here riding this on National Roller Coaster Day, and again, I wouldn't have thought I'd be riding a coaster near where I grew up on this day. Got several laps for the price, so they definitely want to give you a good bang for your buck. So yeah, if you're in the area, definitely come check out Starland. Nice family entertainment center, go-karts, arcade, indoor stuff, and a brand new coaster for this year.